All right, so which reaction will the oxidation number of carbon change by 4? All right, so let me just draw it out nicely. Okay, all I need to do is look at the atoms around carbon, yeah? Okay, so very quickly, oxygen more electronegative than carbon, and it's a double bond. So I'm going to say that the O here, the oxidation state is -2, carbon here put +2, sorry. Okay, this is a single bond, and the N is more electronegative, so I'm going to put -1 +1. Okay, between carbon and hydrogen, carbon is more electronegative, so it's a single bond, so -1 +1. Can you see that? And then you sum it all up, okay? And you notice that this carbon oxidation state is +2, right? So let's look at the next one, CH3. Right, so I only actually have to look at around the carbon. That's good enough. Change it. Okay, so let's run through. Okay, so carbon more electronegative than hydrogen, right? So -1 +1 -1 +1 -1 is it -1 +1. Okay, nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon, so it's single bond, -1 +1. If you add all of them together, all right, so it will be -2. Can you see that? -2. So from +2 it dropped to -2. The change is actually 4. Okay, there's a change by 4, right? So +2 to -2, there's a change by 4. Okay, let's try this next one. Okay, it's pretty similar to this one here, right? Can you see? It's very similar. So this carbon, I'm just going to skip it. This carbon is -2. Okay, -2. All right, so let's try this. H. Okay, only look at around the carbon. So -2 +2. O is, this is single bond, right? Between C and O is a single bond, so I put -1 +1 -1 +1. So let's calculate. In fact, this is the net is +2. Okay, so from -2 to +2, the change is again 4. Right? Okay, let's try the next one. Okay, let me just, okay, this one is quite easy. Carbon dioxide, right? Okay, carbon dioxide. I think you can tell carbon here already is +4. You see it's +4. All right, so let's do the last part here. Okay, so -2 +2. Okay, carbon is -1 +1 -1 +1. Right, so you sum up, oh, it's actually 0. So 0 to +4 is also, the change is also 4. So which means actually all of them are true, A. Okay, so all of them are true.